Well, it's section 1.4 and we're going to practice fractions. So for our first problem we have 2/3 times this sum of 2 plus x equals 0. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/3, and the reciprocal of that is 3/2. And the reason you multiply by reciprocals is because when you multiply by reciprocals, your product is 1. And 1 times 2 plus x is 2 plus x, you see. So here, this product is going to be 1 because the numerators and denominators divide out. And of course 0 times 3/2 is 0. Well, now let's isolate x, so we'll subtract 2 from both sides and we get x equals -2 and we're done. So remember, the reason you multiply by reciprocals is because always the product of reciprocals is 1. Now for this problem we've got another issue. We've got a sum or difference here. Subtraction is just a form of addition. So we need common denominators. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to employ a method that will eliminate the denominators. So first, let's find the least common denominator. So to do that, we'll write down every denominator. Then we'll write the prime factorization of each of those. So that's 2 to the first, the ones understood. This is 2 squared, and this is 2 cubed. So the LCD equals, you write down every base. Well, there's only one base there, it's 2. And what's the largest exponent on 2? It is 3. So that's the least common denominator. And of course that's 8. So now we've got this 3/2 minus 7/4 equals -9/8. What we're going to do, and there should be a V right here, what we're going to do is multiply through by the common denominator, which is 8. We're going to multiply both sides by 8. And here's why. All the denominators will divide out. So here the 8's divide out, we get -9. Now, we have 8 times 3/2 minus 8 times 7v over 4 equals -9. Now 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 4 times 3 is 12, minus 4 goes into 8 2 times, and 2 times 7 is 14, and there's our v, equals -9. Now we'll subtract 12 from both sides. If we subtract 12 from this side, we'll just have a -14v left. If we subtract 12 from -9, -12 minus 9 is -21. Now we'll divide both sides by -14, or multiply by -1/14, which is the reciprocal. So let's divide by -14, and here we've isolated v, and the quotient of 2 negatives is positive, and 2 goes into, 7 goes into 21 3 times, and 7 goes into 14 twice. And now we are done.